Hey, it's Jason with Dads I Cook, and we're hanging out today with Juanito and his beautiful wife, Letty. And we're at their farm out here in Miraflores. And we're hanging out, we're gonna learn some great stuff. He's got his own passion fruit trees. He's gonna make us a passion fruit lemonade.
So let me try
right,
make a lemonade with this sharp knife.
All right, careful now.
Wow.
Is that sharp? Okay, so we're gonna make one with a bunch of bubbles.
Okay.
One with no bubbles. Sugar?
See? This is one way to squish the limes.
Mm-hmm. He's already made his passion fruit from his trees right here. Amazing. Oh, that is delicious. So we're gonna have some bubbles now.
Captain Morgan. It's a little kick.
Cheers. Mm. Yeah, with the kick. That's what you need. So we're gonna learn how to make some flour tortillas from scratch from Juanito's wife, Letty.
Medio kilo de harina.
Looks like a pinch of salt.
Salt, un cuarto de taza de manteca de cerdo.
Bacon fat.
Ooh.
Just want it to kind of crumble.
Yeah.
You want the crumbles you're looking for.
Yeah.
Okay, a little
El
water.
agua.
Starting to get sticky now.
Yeah, wow.
Pound it out. You're
like
squishing,
this?
turning. Oh yeah, you're getting it. You're gonna be a tortilla master soon.
Se sacan las bolitas.
Squeeze little balls out. She has it down to a science.
Yeah.
Sí. Un plástico arriba.
Okay.
Con cuidado porque está
Squishy,
pesado.
squish, squish.
Yeah.
Cuidado.
Cuidado.
wow.
Oh, look at that.
Be careful.
That
wow.
is amazing.
Pizza
Are you going to the
on the
fire? Is that
Yeah.
where she's going? She's going to the flame.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, she wasn't going to use her fingers for
I
that.
was thinking it's gonna get pretty crazy.
My belly's growing. Just watching.
So like this.
Yeah.
It's like a pizza dough almost,
Yeah,
you know?
pizza, yeah.
Just slap it down. You're supposed to be perfect the first time you do it in your life. You know what I mean?
There you go.
Okay.
It's
Uh-oh.
really.
Uh-oh, it gets a little...
Oh yeah, nice. That's perfect.
Putting her whole weight into it. Oh, yeah, you can just throw that one right on there. You getting some bubble action? So we got the tortillas done. We got our drinks in us. Now it's time to learn how to make the ultimate guacamole.
First of all, the avocado has to be very nice and soft.
Okay.
And we take it out like this.
Yeah.
See? Then with a fork.
Just gonna mash it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Guacamole time, people.
Yeah, this is a guacamole with mashed
Guacamole time.
onion. Yes.
I think your son Diego figured that out.
Because we're gonna make some tomato, jalapeno.
He's daring. He's gonna touch it with his fingers. Dice
Wow. Little bit pepper and salt. Le vamos a poner sal. Easy on the pepper. This is a fresh cilantro I use. And the last touch is gonna be limones, lime.
it. The limones.
Yeah.
A little twisty, a
Little
little
twisty right
squeezy.
here with squishy.
Look at this.
Mija, tienes el...
Okay, so we got our guacamole. It's fresh. It's just a nice little yummy, delicious little snack. You just roll it up, shove it in your mouth. Oh my Lord. I love the bacon fat in the tortilla. Brings the flavor to another whole nother level.
That's crazy.
A farm chicken is a chicken breast. We marinate with olive oil, garlic, chipotle, salt and peppers. And we squish a bitter orange.
Bitter orange. Okay, climb up there.
I'm gonna crack another one.
Oh, awesome. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Oh, now you're gonna grill it up. So
Yeah.
we cook it a little bit in the pan.
Yes. Then-
Oh, that's a great idea. And then just finish it off to get
Yeah.
that char.
Oh, yeah.
Hands aren't getting too hot?
No.
Okay. So we're adding a little bit of garlic oil to that?
Yes.
Yeah. Kind of quarters.
Quarters, yes.
So now we got a little olive oil. We're gonna stick that on the
Yes.
veggies.
Yes. Okay, los carrotes, carrots, and zucchini.
Zucchini, mesquite, roasted vegetables right on the grill. Put it in your pan. Okay, so now we got what? Soy sauce or just a
Yes.
little
Yeah.
more olive oil?
Little more oil. It's hot, it's hot.
Oh, that's delicious. Well, the carrots, because they're all natural, flavor from the mesquite and the wood comes out. And that touch, just the touch of the soy, it really, you don't need anything else. It needs nothing else.
All right. We're gonna set it down and we're gonna do it like a family style.
Great.
We're gonna put the oven in the middle of the table and everybody's gonna
Just pick
grab.
that. Okay, this is amazing one, you know.
Yeah.